Hey, it's Joe Glines, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to move text around either in big sections or a little bit at a time. It just depends what you want to do. So let's say I want this line to go, I want line 5. You know what, we'll make more sense of this way. Alright, so line 1 is now var 1, it should be 1, doesn't matter. But I can hold down Control Shift and arrow down, and notice it will move it where I want it to go. So Control Shift can move things. If I, instead of doing that, and you don't have to highlight the whole thing, the fact that I have 1 covered entirely and 2 partially, now when I hold down Shift, oops, I know it moves both. I thought I didn't have to have both of them entirely, because, oh, maybe when you're on more than one, you have to have them both entirely highlight. Let me see if I don't get all of this. 1, 2. So yeah, that was weird. I guess I had to copy at least 1 character, but you can see how you can move them. I can move all 3, right, up and around and down, and so it's really easy. All I'm doing is holding down Control and Shift and using the up and down arrow. The other thing that I wanted to demonstrate was sometimes I'll be writing a function, and I'll write like a word. Let's see. No, I think it's more I'm doing an object. But anyway, so I'll have a 1 here, and then I'm like, oh, you know what? The 1 was supposed to be between the quotes, so you can highlight it and still can hit. Sorry, it's Alt Shift. So you highlight what you want, and then you can arrow left and right and move it where you want in that line. It doesn't go between lines. That up and down just changes the files, the file navigation from the Project Explorer. But you can hold down Alt and Shift and move things around within a line, which sometimes is nice to just be able to do that and not have to switch your hand to the mouse. So those are some really quick, easy ways to move text around. This, incidentally, the Control Shift up and down, I noticed that works in Sight. It works in a lot of Windows programs as well. So it's a good one to remember because it works in a lot of programs the same. All right, thanks.